shows this steps I walked and kilocalories and 2.33 miles distance, and this is time, date and functionalities. If you just press like this says I have messages and this charge, and this is Bluetooth connectivity. And if you go here, it shows this one, and here it says is steps, kilocalories, and this steps. This one is like how many times we stand a day without doing from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. And here this is the moderate intensity work, and this stuffs are a lot, I can't explain them now. And here's the heartbeat sensor. You just start this one, here you can see this light, and if you do like this will go back. Yeah. And here see messages, wait, notification which comes in your app, and here it says clear all 100 notifications here, and go. After this, if you go inside on your notification, it will show. And this is the workout. In this it says outdoor run, outdoor walk, and indoor cycle, pool swimming, and free training. If you just start, it says it checks your goal, and here is more. It has its faces like this one. This is the normal one which you get. This is the normal theme which you get, and this one is a different one. And this is like an analog watch, and this is the one now I'm having. And let's check with this. Yeah, it looks like this. This one is pretty cool if you just want to be like normal watch. Yeah, and nothing else for now. And this one checks how many hours you sleep a day. This will check with your heartbeats. Then I showed about this in I showed about this in app, about the app, and here it says find your phone. See, you may hear the sound. And this is having the timer. You can do like this. You see hours, minute, and just right there. And this is stopwatch. Right, stopwatch. And this one, if you start, it will start like this, and stop. Just go here. Then brightness. This is one like 3, be more brighter. 1 is dim one, 2 is the maximum is 3, and this is lower brightness at night. If you're going to use this at night, it will lower your brightness when it's night time. And this is the reset if you're going to like factory reset, and this is restart. The band will restart, and it will take only few seconds, not more than that. That's all about this Honor Band 4, and let's look into the MI Band 3.
So let's see the Mi Band 3 now. First, this is not a default theme, and this was the time here with the AM or PM, and this is the day 35 Tuesday. And let's go down. Then you can see here the steps which you walk in, and if you go this side, means left side you can see the battery percentage, and right side for distance, then again right side for burn calories, then again right side for battery. That's all. Now let's go over. Now here you can see this heartbeat sensor. If you do press this, you can see this will start working. If you want to stop, just press continuously. Now it stopped working. Now let's go down like this. Now this is the weather, showing the weather, guys. Then about tomorrow's weather. Then let's go. This is treadmill. Yeah, guys. There's also some supports when you're running the treadmill and exercise. And if you go down, this shows the notifications. And see, I got this notification on Spotify and more things I don't want to show. Here's the more thing, guys. Here you can start a timer and keep your phone silent. Then find your phone. It is recording now. Here's the screen. If you want to press, you can also change the theme, like the Honor Band 4. This one. I used to use this one. You guys, after this, the screen you also saw. Now this is factory reset, which I can't press now. Then above, if you press this, you can see this. That's all about this band.
Health app, and let's get started. Here in this homepage, it shows about the steps and this intensive moderate workout, and it shows the kilocalories which I've lost and this day. And this is 2.33 miles. This shows the distance I've walked, and this is the sleep I have slept. And weight, it says sort the clock. Then this is the weight, and this is heart rate, and this is the bar graph which shows the steps I have walked in this week. See here, 11,000. 4,000 today. In May 29th, it's 1178. And here, if you go inside this, it shows it's connected and 100% charge, steps, kilocalories, and this thing again. For you sleep, it counts how you sleep like this. Let me show you. This one, yeah, this is the deep sleep, and this takes you the points of how you sleep. Night sleep is 9 hours, and deep sleep is 31%. Light sleep is 45. REM sleep is 24. And totally I get 63 points for deep sleep continuously, and in total I get 79 points out of 100. And if we check this out again, we get to see this alarm. We can set whatever alarm we want, and here this is the Bluetooth disconnection reminder, weather report, notification, and race to awake, rotate to switch screen, auto download update packages over Wi-Fi, firmware updates, and many other things. And here, if you go to exercise, it says for training, 5 km plan, 10 km, 13 or 26, and cycling, it checks your GPS, searching for GPS, and walk, everything is searched, and it counts how you go. Here, we can set our goal like extending or increasing or decreasing our goal, and this we can increase or reduce. This is our week goal, and just give the save one. And profile, this says what gender I am and what date of birth, height, weight. It asks you these details, and this is messages. It says no notification for now, data sharing. It asks you for connecting with Google Fit or MyFitFall. I just connected with Google Fit, and about if you go inside, it will ask you for contacting with the US dealers. And there's no Android problem in this watch if you're going to buy. And let me know how you like this video. See the MI app.
Okay guys, now let's see the Mi Fit app.
Yeah, this is the app, and the interface looks pretty cool. It shows that I walked 182 steps and 170 meters, and I've burned 3 calories, and there's nothing else. No sleep data because I have just got this band just for this comparison, and no heart rate data because I've not checked anything. And weight, it says that 47 kilograms as I noted before, and reach goals every day. It says nothing. This is me. And here workout, it shows the map which have been there in the same app like Huawei Health. And profile, if you go, it says 0.1 kilometer, reach goal 0, and there are many things like friends, my QR code, and you can scan, activity alerts, and wake up notification. Many things are there, and smart analysis. And if we just take this workout, there's treadmill, outdoor cycling, walking, and outdoor running. And this profile, again, same thing. It shows that syncing data 100%, and there are many features in this. Actually, this is really cool. This app is better than Huawei Health. Actually, this one, weight goal, wake up notification, behavior tagging. Yeah, here many things are there. Sit-ups. You just go here, you start, see this, and press and hold to stop. Stop. Okay, no problem. And jump rope, same thing. Area. And like you guys, and think so like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and give a like button. Bye.